Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today we're going to be working on an old timer Schrade 50T. It's got a broke tip. If you remember, I traded a crock pot for some knives, and this was one of them. You can put it in the back of your... I can put it in there. Well, thank you, bud.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
There they are. We're going to go over them when I get back home. We're going to be coming from the top down. We're going to be coming from the bottom up. They're going to meet right there in the center. It's going to be a good looking knife when I get done with it. Okay, not a bad looking blade at all, is it? It's gonna look good. I gotta put a new edge on it where I rounded this up. It's flat right there. I gotta give it an edge. It's got a pretty good edge back here, but I'm gonna have to give it a new edge all the way down because I flattened this out right here, bringing this up. Ain't no biggie. Alright, new edge. I'm gonna hone it in with my sharpener over there. It's gonna be a good looking knife. Okay, now we're gonna put it on a 3-inch grinder. Initial cleanup. Cleaned up pretty good. That blade did too. Man, it's gonna be a good looking knife. If you didn't know any better, you wouldn't even know it was broke. It is currently 32 degrees in here. So it is a little chilly in Georgia this morning, which I'm glad to see. It's time for it. Gotta get me some coffee. These cold mornings really make this coffee really good. All right, we're fixing to hone this in a little bit. I got a Christmas present I have yet to open. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Christmas present here sometime this week. I got to get it set up here in the shop somewhere. I think y'all will like it. Wow. I love these old Schrades. I really do. They sharpen up so easy. Oh, my chickens are waking up. It is currently 6 a.m. in the morning. Oh yeah. See that edge all the way down? Pretty, ain't it? That's as sharp as I'm gonna get it right there. It's pretty sharp now. Look at this gook right here. Look here. Crazy, ain't it? .400 grit sandpaper. Just aggressive enough to clean it, and not aggressive enough to mess the knife up. The only thing I wish this knife had is a lanyard hole, and I don't think you can do it on this one because you have two little springs in there about right here pushing up on this lock back spring here. So you can't put a lanyard hole in this one. I'm fixing to get my wire brush out. I'm just going to clean the inside. Once I get it cleaned up with a wire brush, I'm going to oil it down. Just trying to get that brass shined up in here with the sandpaper right now. I'm going to rinse it out with the oil. See, you got some goop right there that the wire brush is going to get. Go over the handles with the wire brush. And go over this real good and my lettering right here. Gone. That's it. Always hit that back spring to make sure there ain't no rust on there, because that really affects the movement of your blade. Okay, it's never dull time. I'll cut myself. Telling you guys, you'd be in a hurry and clean these blades. You can run your thumb, crosshair your finger, it'll cut you quick. Alright guys, here it is. Schrade Old Timer 50T. It had a broke tip, and it has a broke tip no more. Look at that beauty right there. Schrade USA 50T. How about that now? You couldn't even tell it was broke if you didn't know it. See that edge right there? I gave it a new edge. It's good and sharp too now. That's what I love about these old Schrades. It's going in my pocket right after the video. Beautiful knife, man. Beautiful. Fits in your hand just right. I like the 30T too, but it's a little small. And this is the first time I've ever owned a 50T. I like it. Got brass pins. Lock blade. And see how clean it is on the inside now? Beautiful, beautiful knife. Man, what you talking about? Just right, just right. Well, anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You can see how cold it is in here. It's about 32 still. It is now 6:25 in the morning. But I love finding these old knives like this, guys, with a broke tip. I get an adrenaline rush. It's like I'm sitting in the deer stand and I see that deer coming out. My heart starts to flutter. That's the same way I feel when I find a broke tip USA made knife. It really is. You can't beat them. You cannot beat them. And you can get them for real cheap, guys. But ain't nothing wrong with that knife now. You can't even tell it was broke. It's beautiful. It's going to be a great EDC knife. It's going to go in my pocket right after the video. It's a beautiful old timer Schrade. It really is classic. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. But anyway, guys, don't forget about the giveaway tonight. It's 6:30 p.m., January 2nd, 2024. We're going to go live. We're going to be giving a bunch of stuff away. It's time for me to give back, guys. I just want to, it's going to be to celebrate my 5,000 subscribers milestone. It's all because of y'all. I certainly appreciate everybody who's subscribed, everybody who's viewed, everybody who sent me stuff. Thank y'all from the bottom of my heart, guys. I really do. I had the best subscribers by far. And it's y'all. It's y'all that makes my channel. It really is. And I just want to thank y'all so much for always commenting, always supporting the channel, guys. Thank y'all again. But don't miss it tonight, 6:30 p.m., the giveaway, okay? Until then, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.